Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of activating your Printify seller profile so you can start dropshipping with ease. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Sign up for Printify. Begin by visiting the Printify website. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. You can register using your email address, or you can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account for a quicker process. Step 2. Complete your profile. Once you've registered, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in your name, business details, and contact information. This information will be crucial for managing orders and customer communications in the future. Step 3. Set up your payment method. Next, you need to set up a payment method. Navigate to the billing section of your account settings. Here, you can link your credit card or choose other payment options. Make sure you enter accurate payment information to ensure smooth transactions. Step 4. Choose your product niche. Now it's time to select your product niche. Browse through the extensive catalog of products Printify offers, from apparel to home decor. Consider what items you'd like to sell and how they fit your target market. Step 5. Customize your products. Once you've selected your products, click on them to start customizing. You can add your own designs, logos, or text. Use the Printify design tool to adjust the size and placement of your artwork. Make sure your designs are appealing and relevant to your audience. Step 6. Set your pricing. After customizing your products, the next step is to set your pricing. Consider the base cost from Printify and add your desired profit margin. Ensure your prices are competitive while still allowing for a reasonable profit. Step 7. Publish your products. Once you're satisfied with your designs and pricing, it's time to publish your products. You can integrate Printify with various e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Follow the prompts to connect your store and make your products live. Step 8. Promote your store. With your products published, it's important to promote your store. Utilize social media platforms and other marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Consider creating engaging content to showcase your products and drive traffic to your store. Don't forget to optimize your store for search engines by using relevant keywords to improve visibility. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you activate your Printify seller profile with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.